how to fix the most annoying things in Windows 10 and Windows 11 are great, but would have issue here the how to fix some of the more with the Microsoft operating system. Windows 10 is probably the best edition of Microsoft valuable operating system to date, and Windows 11 improves on a lot of it until it does not. No company has ever truly made an entirely perfect OS, and that guy double for Redmond in the last 40 years. Thankful many problems in both version of Windows are easy corrected. Here are the steps you can take so neither 10 or 11 will drive you up the window wallpaper. Window updates are regular and never ending, and pretty much out of the user control unless you turn off updates altogether, which is a bad idea. But if you do not reboot your PC after an update, window takes it open itself to reboot for you. That's a good way to lose data in open app. Take advantage of the feature called active hour, which lets you schedule a time for updates and reboot. So in Windows 10, navigate to setting, update security, window update, change active hour to select your own time frame, click change and choose a start and end time, or toggle on the option for automatically adjust active hour for this device based on activity. In Windows 11, go to setting, window update, advanced option, active hour, then set them manually or go with the automatic option that tracks your usage. If you hit the shift key 5 times in a row in window, you activate sticky key, a Windows feature that allow for keyboard shortcuts where you hit one key at a time instead of, so it works with any combo that includes the shift control alt or Windows key. If you activate if without knowing by hitting yes in a dialog box without thinking, for example, it can be seriously annoying. Prevent it from ever happening by hitting the shift 5 times repeatedly to bring up that very dialog box. Or in Windows 10, go to setting of access keyboard and either uncheck the box next to allow the shortcut key to start sticky key, or toggle off use sticky keys in Windows 11. You will find it under setting accessibility keyboard. Ever since Windows Vista user account control UAC has been there to protect users so the OS can quickly grant rights to software programs that need it, especially when installing or uninstalling software. In the old days, when you went to do an install, the screen would dim and everything seemed to come to a halt, causing several probably heart attacks amid the populace. UAC lives on the on and will still them the desktop, but you have the option to turn it off or less prevent the screen as you get a different notification. Type UAC into the Windows 10 or 11 search box to get change user account control setting. The screen present a slider